AkronHipHop.com, the reporternewspaperonline.com. As you can see, anytime I'm in the building, I'm in this building. Marshae, tell somebody where we at.
We are at 2101 Front Street, Suite 104, Cuyahoga Falls, Ohio, at Synder Accounting and Tax Services, LLC.
So you know what, before I get into the real question, we got to take care of the tax business real quick. Somebody needs their taxes done and everything. Tell them why they should come to you.
Well, you have personal experience, personal service, years of experience, and just really want to help the next man.
You know what? And woman too.
Absolutely.
All right. So listen real quick, man. Business, starting businesses. I'm talking to you because a lot of people don't know, so now they know. You are the one-stop shop for getting everything from businesses, retail businesses, which is what I specialize in, and even nonprofits to get all that paperwork done.
Absolutely.
All of it, from the conception to the reception of the party for kicking it off. This is the spot, right?
I can help with that as well. Yeah.
That's right. So real quick, man, what do you recommend when it comes to starting a business? What first paperwork you should get?
Well, the first thing someone needs to do is kind of really start now, know what type of business they want and why they want to go into business. Number one. But once you understand that and so forth, you can file your register with the state of Ohio or whatever state that you're in. You can do a register as a corporation, which is articles of incorporation, or you can register as an LLC, which is articles of an organization. Or you can also opt to be an S corp. Once you become a corporation, you could be an S corp, which has a different tax effects on it.
Okay, so let me ask you a question. So if I'm opening up a Ace and D's hat shop, okay, that's my next venture, Ace and D's hat shop. The first thing to get is not a vendor's license.
Well, you will need a vendor's license also, but you want to establish your name, and that's what happens when you register with the state. You want to get your actual business name registered.
Now, when we say registered, what does that mean?
It'll be you basically saying, I'm starting an organization, whether it be a corporation, LLC, or I'm starting a business, and I want this business name to be recognized. Okay. And therefore, what happens is no one else in the state can get that business name.
Now, what happens if I come to you and you're doing that for me, right? So I come to you and you say, hey, Brother Hiram, I'm sorry somebody got Ace and D's hat shop in New York. I can't use it for Akron location?
Well, there's kind of different rules, but it's mainly Ohio.
Okay.
The state that you're in that it definitely affects. So you could actually do a lookup on the Secretary of State's website and to see if that business name is available or not in Ohio.
You do all that for everybody?
Absolutely.
Good. So listen, man, I appreciate you, man. Look, I can talk this all day. That's my jargon and everything, but we're not going to give them all the game. We just want to give them a little insight for the invite, a little knowledge you can't get in college from my girl Marshae. Anything you got to say?
Yeah, I want to add a few more things. Okay, so after they get registered with the state, and if they need a vendor's license, of course, get the vendor's license. And then also get the EIN. That's from the federal government.
Okay.
And then also a lot of different things that people don't realize that they need insurance. You know,
that's important.
Very important.
Do you know anybody that do insurance?
Yeah, I do.
Me too. I got a couple of them.
Absolutely. So one of my sorors has her own agency.
One of your who?
Sorors.
Okay, she done said
she's a member.
A word I've never heard before. Sounds like it's a whole other language.
My sorority. She's
a
member of my sorority.
Your sister.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What was the word again?
Soror.
Okay, she's educating y'all. She got that knowledge. Keep going. Okay. So you can definitely hook some people up.
Absolutely. So insurance is very important, and also I would also recommend you getting an accountant.
Guess who do that?
That would be me.
All right.
Yeah. I'm a CPA, just so you understand. I'm a certified public accountant, which means that I am certified with the state of Ohio, which is basically a higher certification than just being an accountant.
So why is it important to have an accountant for a retail business, Ace and D's hat shop?
Absolutely, because not only just to help you with your financials, but just even help you with your business operations. You know what I'm saying?
Say that, yes.
A lot of understand it's not just about, well, I have cash in, I have cash out, I'm good to go. It's so much more than that. It's about planning and budgeting to know, okay, I have cash now because during this time I'm very busy. But maybe in June, sales are going to kind of, fall off because people have spent their tax returns and so forth, and cash is low for people. So how much cash am I expecting to have? How much am I going to need based off of if I have employees, I have rent, supplies, inventory, miscellaneous expenses, and so forth. So you always want to be planning ahead.
Listen to this knowledge, y'all. Y'all can't get this anywhere but here at, what's the location again?
2110 Run, Front Street, Suite 104, Cuyahoga Falls, Ohio.
Well, listen, you know what? I feel like I'm about to start my business, Ace and D's Hat Shop. And please don't ask me about I'm just making that up, y'all. I'm just playing. But, I might as well get that money, though. Marshae, in closing, I want to thank you for taking the time out to roll with us at AkronHipHop.com. And more importantly, I want to thank you for educating our people with that much needed insight.
Thanks for having me.
Hey, have some fun and get something done, baby.
Absolutely.
You man, feel me before they kill me. Peace.